What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Shane. This is the Shane Show. So we're headed out to no-fly zone out in Gila Bend Airport. There'll be some half-mile racing out there. Let's go check it out. We got R32. I know this car's got around a little over 500 wheels. It'd be nice to see what kind of numbers it pulls today. Maybe we can go for a ride in that. Guys, it is chilly out right now in Phoenix. It's around 50 degrees, which in the desert it's cold. We are at Gila Bend Airport right now, half-mile racing. Give you guys a little shot of all the cars that we have here. Got a bunch of Corvettes. $161 in the Lambo.
We hit the room, me and my crew, and it was cool until we bumped into you. Now it's been years, but there you were like a Mustang, red line in every single gear with a man that danced like he was born in 49, but lost his groove back in ancient times. I wanna know what those replacement hips. Is that a Swatch watch? Do you know what time it is? Does he run deep enough to take you there? Does he run deep enough? Oh, tell me, baby, does he run deep enough? Does he run it deep enough for you? We hit a couch, the place was packed with sweaty palms, sweaty thongs, and sweaty backs. My mouth was dry.
Alright, everybody, just got home from no-fly zone. I ran this 10 times in the half mile, so let's go check out our times. Actually, my first run of the day was my fastest run, and so started out, just did a mild run, trapped 118. Then we did a 149, 151.3, 151.8, 155, 155.4, 155.6, 155.8, 156.0, and then the fastest time of the day was just actually my very first run, 156.79. So overall, not bad for full bolt-on car. I think that once I go E85, I'll be in more of that 168, 170 range. So I really wanted to try for the 160. Again, my first run was a 156.7, and I was super stoked. I'm like, sweet, I got another 3-4 miles an hour that I can play with. I was on my first run, and then it just went. I didn't get any faster than that. So the weather was a little windy. There was a headwind, but again, it's not going to matter. So E85 coming soon with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. Also, check out the video over here, video over there. Just like that. Shane Shows out. Peace.